Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. For today's lesson, we will be using Ikimasu, Kimasu, and Kaerimasu in creating a sentence. So let's start. In this lesson, we will be using Ikimasu, Kimasu, and Kaerimasu. Ikimasu in English is to go. Kimasu in English is to come, and Kaerimasu in English is to return home. We will also be using the particle ni and e, which means to, in making a sentence. We will also be using an example of a noun, gaku, which means school. So in our example, we will be using gaku means school, ni a particle which means to and which will be added before the verb kimasu, and of course kimasu which means to go. Let's read this first example. Gaku ni kimasu ka? Let's repeat. Gaku ni kimasu ka? Because of this particle ka, this sentence is an interrogative sentence. So in English, it means, will you come to the school? Take note, gaku is school, ni, particle, which is to be used before the verb kimasu, and ka is the particle or a question particle. So in English, it means, will you come to the school? Let's try to read it once again. Please repeat after me. Gakko ni kimasu ka? Once again. Gakko ni kimasu ka? In English, will you come to the school? Let's try to answer it in Nihongo. Hai. Gaku ni ikimasu. Take note that in our first example, we use kimasu, which means come. And in our second statement or example, we use ikimasu, meaning to go. Let's read this one once again. Hai. Gaku ni ikimasu. In English, yes, I will go to school. Let's try to make another example using party, or in English is party. We will also be using in this statement ikimasu, which means to go, and a question particle ka. Let's read this. Please repeat after me. Pati ni ikimasu ka? Once again. Pati ni ikimasu ka? In English, will you go to the party? Let's try to answer our example in Nihongo. Hai. Pati ni ikimasu. Hai means yes in English. Pati means party, and ikimasu is go or to go. So if we will translate this, hai, pati ni ikimasu, it means yes, I will go to the party. Let's read this one once again. Hai, pati ni ikimasu. Once again, please repeat after me. Hai, pati ni ikimasu. In English, yes, I will go to the party, or yes, I will go to party. This time, aside from using ikimasu, kimasu, kaerimasu, particle ni and e, we will also be using Kyou, which means today, Ashita, which means tomorrow, Konya, which means tonight, Uchi, which means house. Let's try to read them once again. Kyou, today, Ashita, tomorrow, Konya, tonight, Uchi, house. In this example, Konya doko e ikimasu ka? We use Konya, which means tonight, doko, which means where, a particle which is added before the verb, ikimasu, and ka, a question particle. Let's try to read this. Konya doko e ikimasu ka? Once again, Konya doko e ikimasu ka? In English, where will you go tonight? Konya doko e ikimasu ka? In English, where will you go tonight? Let's try to answer this sentence, Konya doko e ikimasu ka? In Nihongo. Konya means tonight. Uchi means house. But here we add no, which is a possessive particle. So uchi no means your house, and ikimasu means to go. So if we try to translate this, Konya uchi no e ikimasu. In English, I will go to your house tonight. Let's read this one once again. Konya uchi no e ikimasu. One more time. Please repeat after me. Konya uchi no e ikimasu. In English, I will go to your house tonight. Let's try to make another example. This time we will use mise, which means store in English. And in this sentence, we use ashita, which means tomorrow, watashi, which means I, but if you put no after watashi, which is watashi no, which means my. Mise in English is store. And of course, we will use the particle ni before the verb kimasu, which means to come. And again, a particle ka, which makes the sentence an interrogative sentence. So, let's try to read this. Ashita, watashi no mise ni kimasu ka? One more time. Please repeat after me. Ashita, watashi no mise ni ikimasu ka? In English, will you come to my store tomorrow? Let's read this once again. Ashita, watashi no mise ni ikimasu ka? In English, will you come to my store tomorrow? So let's try to answer this sentence or this question in Nihongo. Hai means yes. Ashita means tomorrow. Anata means your. Mise means store. No, a possessive particle which makes anata mise no your store in English, and a particle which is used before the verb ikimasu. So, if we try to translate this sentence, Hi, Ashita anata misi no ikimasu. In English, yes, I will go to your store tomorrow. Let's try to read this sentence once again. Please repeat after me. Hi, Ashita anata misi no ikimasu. One more time, please repeat after me. Hi, Ashita anata misi no ikimasu. In English, yes, I will go to your store tomorrow. This time, we will make a sentence using Kaerimasu, which means in English, to return home. We will also be using Kyou, meaning today, Watashi, which means I, particle e, which is written before Kaerimasu, and of course, Kaerimasu means to return home. So if we will try to translate this sentence, Kyou, watashi e kaerimasu. In English, I will return home tomorrow. Let's try to read this sentence once again. Kyou, watashi e kaerimasu. One more time, please repeat after me. Kyou, watashi e kaerimasu. In English, I will return home tomorrow. We can also create a negative form sentence using kaerimasen. Kyou, which means today. Watashi means I. A particle that is used before the verb. Kaerimasen, meaning not return home. So, Kyou, watashi e kaerimasen. In English, I will not return home tomorrow. Let's try to read this once again. Kyou, watashi e kaerimasen. One more time, please repeat after me. Kyou, watashi e kaerimasen. In English, I will not return home tomorrow. Domo arigato gozaimasu. I hope you've learned a lot from this lesson. And if you have any question, please write down your question in the comment box down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also click the notification button so that you'll be updated with my new videos. And if you like this video, please share and like. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye!